Hey guys, welcome to another video. For those of you who don't know me, I'm not only a lorry driver, but I'm also a pilot, and I haven't flown in months. In fact, the last time I flew was the 29th of February, minus last week, which was on my own to do 3 takeoffs and landings to get my currency back. Today we're going to Goodwood, just outside Chichester. Yes, it's the Goodwood with the racetrack. The airfield is actually inside the racetrack. And yeah, we're going to go for a little bit of picnic under the wing. So I'm just about to start the flight planning, which I'm going to show you a little bit of, and then we'll get into the aircraft. Okay guys, so that's the whole flight planned. Obviously if you want me to go into more detail into how this works in a future video, do let me know. For now we can stack everything into the old flight bag. A couple of things we need to do. I need to go and collect my license from the post office as it was delivered since putting my night rating on. And also we're going to go to Tesco's, get some food for a picnic.
Elstree information, good afternoon again, call for Bravo Charlie Uniform Hotel, barking correct radio check, airplane information and taxi for fuel. And that's 54. Tap the brakes, climb out 55 knots to start with. Now we've got terrible performance with the temperature. T's and P's are in the green. Bravo, good afternoon, Golf Bravo Charlie Uniform Hotel for a traffic service.
Golf Bravo Charlie Uniform Hotel, Bravo, pass your message.
Golf Bravo Charlie Uniform Hotel, Cessna 150, Elstree to Goodwood, currently 2,000 feet, QNH1008. We're just routing between the Booker, High Wycombe and the Heathrow CTA. But we're getting back on track now, back towards Reading and then onwards to Basingstoke. Request a traffic service.
Golf Uniform Hotel, Bravo QNH1008, squawk 0430.
So we're now levelled up at 4,000 feet. We've passed Reading, Farnborough's out to our left, and below us is Basingstoke. We've got about 20 minutes or so until we arrive. For lunch, we're both pretty starving now. Golf Uniform Hotel, final 24 flat.
Uniform Hotel, thank you. Runway 24, land at your discretion. The surface wind is 210 degrees, 11 knots.
At my discretion, Golf Uniform Hotel.
A flight to the south, please.
Flight Uniform Delta Yankee, giving information, hello to you. Your readability state 5. Taxi hold runway 24 right hand, circuit QNH1010.
24 right hand and 1010, Golf Delta Yankee.
How was that? Right. That wasn't too bad, was it? As always? Yeah. Okay.
It's a warm-up and good, but if you continue ahead there, you can take a left onto the taxiway, and then a further left, and then continue towards the tower. Do you need any fuel?
We'll vacate left here and left again towards the tower, and no, we're good on fuel. We're fueled up at Elstree, Golf Uniform Hotel.
Cool. Okay, then you taxi towards the tower, you park with the other fixed wing.
Other fixed wing, Golf Uniform Hotel. Yeah, that was wasn't a bad landing. Obviously because it's grass, it's not flat, so you do get a little bit of a bounce occasionally.
Just so we don't get it wrong, are you coming in tomorrow as well?
Almost certainly not.
Good afternoon, Golf Bravo Charlie Uniform Hotel at the park. Request radio check out for information, taxi for departure. It's 50 knots. Rotate. Hotel was walking 3661.
Golf Bravo Charlie Uniform Hotel, Farnborough, good afternoon, basic service, QNH1008, pass your message.
Quite a strong wind from the south, a bit of a crosswind landing this one.
So guys, that concludes our trip for the day. Goodwood and back. Aircraft's all chopped off. Paperwork is all done. I really enjoyed making this video, so I think I'll definitely be doing more of these, but just make sure you let me know. I'm in talks with my company at the moment about the HGV vlogs. So yeah, I'm in talks with them. Let's hope we can continue with them. But we can definitely continue with these, so until next time, I'll see you later.